Getting unemployment benefits. Unemployment insurance, also called UI, provides temporary financial assistance to people who are unemployed due to no fault of their own. UI replaces part of your wages while you look for work or are waiting to go back to work for an employer. To get unemployment insurance benefits, there are 3 main requirements. First, you need to have worked for an employer in the state of Vermont within the past 18 months. If you worked for an employer in another state, whether you lived in Vermont or not, and have not worked in Vermont, you will need to file for unemployment in that state. Second, you need to be unemployed through no fault of your own. And third, you need to have earned a minimum amount of wages in Vermont. Your claim will have an available balance of up to 26 times your weekly benefit amount after applying for UI, which is called opening a claim. Payments will reduce your available balance. If you have already received UI payments on the claim and then need to reopen the claim within the year, you will only have the remaining balance available. The amount of money you can get from unemployment is called your weekly benefit amount. The amount you'll be paid each week depends on how much you earned during a certain period. The Department of Labor checks your wages from up to 18 months ago. It is okay if you didn't earn money every month during the previous 18 months. You will pay taxes on the money you get from UI. You can choose to have the taxes taken out before you receive the money, or you can pay it when you file your taxes. Benefits from UI can be deposited directly into your bank account. Once you've filed for UI, there are a few things to do. First, each week you must submit a weekly claim to request your UI benefits online or over the phone and give an update that shows you are meeting the requirements. Our video, How to File a Weekly Claim, will cover this process. Second, if the Department of Labor needs more information about your situation, for example, more information about the reason you are no longer employed, a staff member from the department will look at your claim more closely. They may contact you to ask for more information. When the UI office contacts you by phone or by email, it is important to respond quickly. If you need an interpreter, ask for one. You will most likely be required to search for work. If you need help with your work search, there are staff at the DOL who can help you. To meet the work search requirement, you must contact 3 employers seeking new employment and document these contacts in a weekly claim. For example, filling out a job application or talking with a potential employer. If you need an interpreter to file your weekly claim, call 877-214-3332 and press 1. You must keep accurate records of all job search activities and provide this information in your weekly claim. If you do not do what is required of you, or if you give untruthful information, you will be required to repay the money you received. You will not receive future UI benefits until all the money is repaid. Your federal and state tax refunds may be withheld from you. You may be taken to court, or a future employer may be required to withhold money from your wages to repay the money to the Department of Labor. For the latest and most accurate information, you should check this website. You can also contact the Unemployment Insurance Division by calling 1-877-214-3332. Press 1 for an interpreter. Interpreters and relay services are available at no cost to you.